Ever wonder how your headphones, car, and even your toothbrush can all talk to your phone without a single wire in sight? Today on Knowledge Hub, we're diving into the invisible thread that makes it possible: Bluetooth. At its core, Bluetooth is a short-range wireless communication technology. It uses radio waves in the 2.4 GHz NISM band, the same neighborhood as Wi-Fi and microwave ovens, but with a different approach. Instead of blasting high power, Bluetooth keeps things energy efficient and low range, usually around 10 meters, though modern versions can stretch much further. The magic lies in a method called frequency hopping spread spectrum. That means, rather than sticking to one frequency, Bluetooth rapidly jumps between 79 different channels, up to 1,600 times per second. This makes it highly resistant to interference and keeps your music from cutting out when you're surrounded by other wireless signals. When two devices want to connect, one acts as the master and the other as the slave. They go through a process called pairing, exchanging unique identifiers and security keys to make sure no one else can sneak in. Once connected, they form a small network called a piconet, which can link up to 8 devices at once. Over time, Bluetooth has evolved through versions. Bluetooth Classic handles things like audio streaming, while Bluetooth Low Energy powers wearables and smart home gadgets by transmitting small amounts of data while sipping battery life. The latest versions, like Bluetooth 5.0 and beyond, bring higher speeds, longer ranges, and support for the Internet of Things, enabling thousands of tiny devices to talk to each other in smart ecosystems. So next time you hit play on your wireless earbuds, remember, what feels like magic is really billions of radio wave hops happening every second. If you enjoyed this breakdown of wireless wizardry, don't forget to subscribe, because here at Knowledge Hub we turn the mysteries of science and technology into clear, fascinating stories. And as always, stay curious.